Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 5 factors and multiples, fourth part. First we will study prime numbers. What do you mean prime numbers? A number which have only two factors. A number which have only two factors, one and the number itself, one and the number itself. That number is called prime numbers. First we, for example, prime numbers, the smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. Then the smallest even prime number is 2. For example, look here. What are the factors of 2? You know, you find the factors, so you know the factors of 2, 1 and 2. Then what are the factors of 5? What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3. That is 1 multiply 6. 6 is equal to 1 multiply 6 is equal to 6. Then 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. Then 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. This is here, repeat here, then you stop. Then what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. Understand? Then now here prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? A number which have only two factors, one and the number itself. Here our example, factors of 2, 1 and 2 itself, factors of 5, 1 and 5, 1 and itself, number itself, factors of 3, 1 and 3, 7, factors of 7, 1 and 7. These are the prime numbers. Understand you? The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest even prime number is 2. Now what is composite number? A number which have more than two factors. A number which have more than two factors, that number is called composite number. A number which have more than two factors, that number is called composite number. Here, for example, here what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the factors of 8? 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. The table of 3 goes in 8? No, 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Here repeat, then use the factors. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. What is a composite number? A number which have more than two factors, that number is called composite number. Then now here 4, what? How many factors in 4? 3 factors. How many factors in 6? 4 factors. How many factors in 8? 4 factors. Then 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, these are composite numbers. Then how to find the composite number? Then first we write the prime numbers. Prime numbers. What is the definition of prime numbers? A number which have only two factors, one and the number itself. The first prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. 100 तक prime numbers है. अब listen here. Then composite numbers here. Four, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Okay. Listen, look here. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest odd prime number is 3. The smallest even prime number is also 2. Understand you? The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest even prime number is 2. The smallest odd prime number is 3. Then look here, the smallest composite number is 4. The smallest composite number is 4. Where go 1? This prime number 1 is in neither a prime number nor a composite. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite. Then 1 is which number? Unique number. 1 is a unique number. I ask some questions. Dash is the smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. Second question, which is the smallest, which even prime number? All are odd prime numbers. Look here, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97 up to 100. Then all are in odd numbers, but 2 is in even number. Therefore, the smallest even prime number is 2. Then the smallest composite number is 4. The smallest composite number is 4. Dash is neither prime nor composite. Which number? 1. 1 is unique number. 1 is a unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E. 1 is a unique number. Understand you? This. You learn the prime numbers. Again say the prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Understand you? What is a prime number? What is a composite number? You learn the prime numbers. This is your homework. Learn prime numbers 1 to 50. Then now how to find the prime numbers? Listen. First you write 1 to 100 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then you write here 11, here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up to 100. You write up to 100. Then you take some colors. First you square the 1 in red color. Okay. First you square in red color. This is not a prime number, neither a prime number nor a composite number. Then you cut. You cross in any color. You this the line of 2 even number. This line also you cut. Here 24 this cut. Then you cut this line. Then you cut this line. This also you write. Then cut this line. Okay. Then cross you. Understand you? First you square the 1. That is 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Then second you cross in 2 line. This 4, then 6, then 8, then you cut table of 3. 3 1 ja. This you first you circle the 3. First you circle the 3. Then you cut the table of 3. Then you cut the table of 3. Understand? Then up to 100. Then again you circle the 5. Again you cut the table of 5. Understand? Then you circle the 7. Then you cut the table of 7. Then left numbers you circle. The table this also cut. Then last number you circle. That is here 11, 13, 17. This. These circle numbers are your prime numbers. These circle numbers are your prime numbers. Understand you? Once again, first you square the 1. This is neither a prime nor a composite number. Then you circle the 2. Sorry. You circle the 2. Then cut the table of 2. Second line. You circle the 3. Then you cut the table of 3. Then third you circle the 5. Then you cut the table of 5. Then first you circle the 7. Then you cut the table of 7. Then left numbers you circle, that is your prime numbers. Okay? Then thank you.